ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅದು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಾಗ್ಬೋದು,
ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಎಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್?
ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಇದರಿಂದ? ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ? ಇದ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಖಾತಾ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಡ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಪಾಪ ಮಾರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ತೊಗೊಂಡೊಂದ್ ಗತಿ ಏನು?
Now, with respect to the work, my lord, no doubt we will do it, my lord. But the cost has to be paid 50-50 by them also. Prabhu brothers have to pay it. They can't just, they are the ones who did this mess and have gone away. I am willing to tend this baby, a sick baby now. I will take care. I owe a moral duty, my lord, to do it, though I don't have legal duty. According to me, leave that thing aside, my lord. Prabhu brothers have to pay 50%. They can't keep quiet about it.
My lord, that may not be correct.
ಮೈಕಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೈಕನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
My lord, that submission may not be entirely correct. First of all, we have, this is against me. If it is permissible in law, I will fight. That's not a problem, my lord. All I am saying is, this has to be from the assets of the firm. In case I am liable, I am not, they are liable, who have to bear the expenses, that will have to decide in another set of proceedings.
ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸರಿ ಅಂತ
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟ್ 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I'll point out, my lord, for example.
ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಅದು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಾಗ್ಬೋದು,
ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಎಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್?
ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
We can hold the trial, we will ask some commission to hold the proceeding and submit the report.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು,
That's all.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಬೇರೆ
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅದು. ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನಂತೀರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್?
My lord, I have a complete answer to what my lord is saying. My lord, in so far as what has happened till now, my lord, we will sort it out, my lord. We'll fight it out. We'll fight it out. Because I don't think it can be sorted out. Okay. We will fight it out. Because I don't think it can be sorted out. Okay. We will fight it out. In so far as doing things in compliance with your lordship's directions are concerned, both must equally be responsible to this honorable court. Not to me, not to him. We are responsible to this court. Therefore, my lord, since they were the developers, 50-50 was the agreed ratio. Let them pay 50% expenses. I will pay 50% expenses.
When he says, in the context of the revolution, he says the first thing we do after we take power is kill all the lawyers. Because lawyers are guardians of right.
So it was in praise of institution of lawyers actually. Yes. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೀರಿ? ಅವ್ರಂತಾರೆ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ 50% ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, 50% ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು.
Sir, first of all, our right is only 26% in the firm, sir, not even 50%. That's one issue. And the firm has sufficient assets to pay all the expenses. So we can be allowed to sell the flats and we'll leave the
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
50%. There's an agreement. My lord, kindly see the agreement at page 113. It says so, my lord.
113.
I'll read that, my lord.
ಇದು ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್.
ಹೌದು.
ನಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
to give me 39.47%, he has to give me, rest is his.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, what it says is, there is an agreement between us. It says the second party shall Avinash Prabhu.
but in that your client is also one of the partners.
Yes. That is why, my lord, I am doing it. I will also contribute, my lord. I am not running away.
My case is that they are responsible for delay because, my lord, even
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವಿನ
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
Going forward,
ಇವರು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಫರ್
I am saying let the assets of the firm which are not which are regarding which agreement has not been entered into with third parties, let the assets of
ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್.
What I suggest, my lord, is this. In fact, I am making a clear division, my lord, between what has happened prior to your lordship's intervention and what is going to happen post. Now, my lord, what has happened prior whatever is the agreement, whatever is the dispute, we will, my lord.
Work out elsewhere.
We will work out our rights. Insofar as complying with your lordship's direction, my lord, it is a moral responsibility. We are bound to do it. To the buyers, in fact, your lordships have said not only to those 26 people.
Others also.
Others
50,
also.
53
my lord,
ಏನೋ
yes,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ
my lord,
ನಾವು.
yes, my lord.
ನಾ.
Therefore, it is a moral responsibility. We will do it. There's no difficulty. But equally, therefore, going forward, subject to whatever accounting we may do, we will pay 40%, let them pay 60%, because that is the ratio in which the property is to be divided ultimately. So let us do it that way, my lord.
60%. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 40-60?
59 point. 9 point.
40-60 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ 27% ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ
One-
ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್?
My lord, yes, my lord.
Stipulation.
Partnership deed.
Page 120.
Yeah,
Partnership deed.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್?
7 point.
My lord, if your lordship will kindly see page 123, my lord. That is the agreement, my lord, which I am referring to, begins at page 100.
ಕೊಡಿ.
2021.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಾಗಿಲ್ಲನೋ 9984 ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲನೋ?
That was only challenging 1 lakh.
117 in WP number 17397.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅವರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ 50-50 ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ
Exactly.
ಪಿಟಿಷನ್. ಈ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪನ ಪೂರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಈಗೇನ್ 50 ಇದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಭು ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. It is your responsibility only.
It was a joint responsibility. my lord.
Correct.
They were also parties. Partnership deed, they are also partners. They partnership firm. We are only saying there are other 44 apartments of the firm which are neither subject matter of any of the agreement nor encumbered. Those have been attached by the commission. Let the assets of the firm be used for, my lord. Practically, I don't have money, my lord. Otherwise, I will not get into all these things. Your lordship is right. If they had money, they could have paid and they could have continued with whatever litigation they have.
Ask them whether they are income tax assessees. They are. Just give copy of your assets and liability statement in a sealed cover. And your bank statement as on this day. What is the amount in banks now?
Nothing. We have no business at all. We have only one employee. Other than us, there's only one employee.
Ali, other
No,
40.
that's no answer, my lord. That's no answer.
1 crore 25 lakhs.
44 who ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್,
ಹೌದು.
even they have been attached.
ನಮ್ದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಅದು. Because of all these execution orders that have been passed by the learned commission. Thing is done properly today. That's why, my lord, we filed this affidavit also.
Correct.
We will do everything and take care of the interest of the apartment buyers. No difficulty.
Okay.
Now, my lord, question of how much money is to be paid. Who is going to bear the expenses? Now, my lord, to that, I am now saying, my lord, whatever is the problem that we had between us prior to now, we will sort it out separately. Insofar as compliance with the court order is concerned, admittedly, all of us were partners. And I ask myself, why should I alone be mulcted with all the costs? They should also come up with that. I don't have money is no answer. I also can say I don't have money. But that's not the answer. They have to find money. It is not as if, my lord, they're all in penury. No. We are not dealing with ordinary people. We are dealing with property developers.
Then
Come on, it's hard to believe that. It's hard to believe that.
ಬೇರೆ assets and liabilities ಇದೆಯಾ?
So 1 crore 25 lakhs is lying with them of my money.
That is a different matter. That's a fight.
1 crore 25 lakhs.
That
is
may have a
lying with them.
dispute.
They can
That may
use
have a
that for
dispute.
the
We will sort it
construction.
out separately. My lord, if
No,
that,
we are asking.
25 lakhs
that
is
may have a
lying with them.
dispute.
They can
That may
use
have a
that for the
dispute. We will
construction.
sort it out separately. My lord, if
No,
that.
we are asking you.
Yes,
One,
sir.
1 crore so and
No,
so ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
no, my lord, that's a matter of accounting. My lord, we have spent it in the construction, we will show all that. My lord, that's a matter of accounting. We also have put in money. They also have put in money. My lord, these become such contested issues between us. That is why, my lord, I was putting a Chinese wall between.
No, you are just thinking that way. If you do it all because you have undertaken right from the first day,
Yes, my lord.
which you have recorded.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I'm
So
not running
you
away.
do it, invest entire money because you have undertaken to do that.
Yes.
Then we will permit you to proceed against them for work recovery.
My lord.
That is your
Kindly
stand.
see, my lord. That is one, that is itself. My lord, that is one approach, my lord. That's one approach. The other approach is, especially, my lord, where it is a question of complying with the court's direction. Just because I undertook the responsibility, it doesn't mean that the cost must be put on me alone. My lord, I ask myself,
That you
were
have
they
to-
not partners? To recover all this money I do
No,
without
that's your
any-
case. You said, we will do everything.
We will do it.
Permit us to proceed against them is your first submission.
That is insofar as previous dues are concerned, no difficulty. I have lot of claims against them. Go, well, pursuant to your lordship directions, if I have to be done. Now look at this situation.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದೆ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am not for a moment reneging from anything that I have told this honorable court. I will do it, my lord, there is no difficulty. I am only saying, my lord, kindly see, my lord, there are 4 apartments that have fallen to his share in this building.
Unsold.
Which are unsold. Please permit us to sell that and use that money for the purpose of this. My lord, he should disclose that to your lordships in fairness.
attached ಅನ್ನೋದು 4.
Let him,
Out of
You
4,
said all property is attached. You said
Yes.
all properties of the firm are attached now.
No, sir, 36 flats.
My lord, one submission. I
Attached.
have got it.
36 out of 44
There
are.
are 44 unsold units, out of which 40 are attached, 4 are not attached.
4 are not attached.
Not attached.
You sell those.
ನಾವೇ sell ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. We will sell it.
out of 4,
2 are sold. Your-
2 are sold out now.
Yes.
When
Two
were
are
sold?
sold.
My lord, I think-
He has not
Actually,
given us any such agreement.
their person, they had booked in another project of ours,
When?
in 2005.
given him.
And they have, because there was some legal
There is a
dispute, they have taken these 2 flats as alternative.
Many.
Yes, sir.
But you said that you have
2 are,
many.
yes, sir.
But you said that you have.
2 are, 2 have been given to a client who has booked another flat, 2 are available for
No,
sale.
that is an internal adjustment, something they have done.
We have no objection to sell 2.
Or 2. What is
No,
the-
no, my lord, let the.
Why 4? Suppose if only 1 will suffice the expenditure. Why are you insisting 4?
15 crores extra. Sir.
No, that's it. For the purpose of expenditure, my lord, today, all right, my lord, I will go
That's
down
what-
to what, please permit me to sell his remaining 2 flats. And I will recover the money, I will use that money for the purpose of doing all the work that I have undertaken to do, plus put my own money, do everything, and then, my lord, we will work out our rights.
What do you say? Yes, sir?
Okay,
You are agreeable to that?
yes.
It
That-
can't
that's
be
what
that
I
I
have
won't
been
have
saying.
any
He's
money.
agreeable.
Yes, I find.
You can't complain at all
I'm
because he
agreeable.
says, yes, do it.
All this was
because
required.
mine is 4 apartments attached. And we are not talking
Anyway, your
about
client
individual
is now
property,
saying,
my lord.
your client himself in all fairness
I agree.
says, sell these 2
Two,
apartments.
we agree. Insofar as-
All this 10 or 15 minutes of discussion of your lordships, very valuable judicial time was required because the man said, I don't have anything. I
Now
am
these
penury. I don't have any money. I
not-
don't have
not-
any assets.
Not that way. This is a partnership asset ಇದೆ. ಆ asset is attached ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು stand it. Now they are saying,
ಅವ್ರ್ದೇ
out of the 4, 2 they are saying you sell.
Very good.
ಹಾ.
Well, I will.
That is
your
also in
lordships
partnership
may-
only.
Your lordships may, no.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Yes.
ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ.
Our year mark.
Them not play trick also. Anybody, nobody should play trick with the court. Court is so fair to all of you. You should appreciate that. Suppose ನಾವೇನೋ ಒಂದು whimsically ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lord, in fact, this is not only a legal proceeding, my lord, this is a holy proceeding that's going on in this court.
ಪಾಪ otherwise
ಅದೇ ಪಾಪ,
ತಗೊಂಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ
And
ಜಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ
24 ಜನ ಬಂದು 56 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ help
ಸಾಯ್ಬೇಕು
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಪಾಪ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನಿಮ್
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಜಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ why the buyers of the flats, why they should suffer? All these years they have suffered. They will curse all of us.
Para 9 ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲ, if your
ಓದಿ.
lordships permit. Additionally, petitioners pray that B, permit the petitioner to sell the remaining unsold 4 flats falling to the share of respondent number 2, namely A104, B401, B403 and C304 to recover additional cost of construction. ಈ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇದು ಅವರೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದ? ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರ್ದು?
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Of course, my lord, how much they spend also, they will have to reveal to this honorable
ನಾ
court.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೊದ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Of course.
ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ share ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Of course.
ಹೌದು, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ
Yes.
ಜೊತೆ ನೀವೇನೇನ್ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ.
Yes.
ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಡ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ,
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, but it can't be, if I say, I am bringing an offer for 10 lakhs, you say, no, it's too less.
ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೈತೆ ನೀನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes.
Simple.
The proof of the pudding is in the eating, ಅವರೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡು ಬರೋದು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಯಾವತ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಕಂಪ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ತೊಳಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ
Yes, my lord, we will find a buyer, we will come and take your lordship's approval for the purpose of sale. Yes, my lord.
ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾನ ಕೇಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್? ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಇದರಿಂದ? ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ? ಹಾ, ಇದ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಖಾತಾ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್,
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ
We will come and place a prospective buyer with the terms before your lordship.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೊದ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಪಾಪ ಅವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ತೊಗೊಂಡೊಂದ್ ಗತಿ ಏನು? ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಬೈಸ್, he should not be put to problem, as I rightly said. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಥವಾ they can buy, if they
amount
think they have a
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ,
better
ಅವ್ರು
buyer, let them bring it. No problem.
We cannot saddle him for everything. We cannot take undue advantage of his virtue. ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೆಮೊದಲ್ಲಿ. We are agreeable for the petitioner selling these two properties in favor of any intending buyer.
Subject to
Confirmation by the court. So that buyer confidence ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ. ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ಎಂತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ, ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ರಿ. ಹಾ, ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಕೊಡಿ, ಬೇಗ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ. 13 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 13 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 2016, 31/3/2016.
This is a classic example.
13 ವರ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ.
Sir, we were
ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿ?
only landowners. Our investment was supposed to be the land. We were owners of the land. We brought him in as a partner only for the purpose.
ನಿಮ್ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಲಿಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
We were the landowners, my lord. We brought in the land. He was supposed to do the development. That is how all these agreements have been signed. Apart from partnership agreement, there are also these other agreements. Anyway,
Allen arbitration clause.
Not by the court, my lord. I'm saying when submissions was made, the submissions were made, it was being said that.
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದ ಸೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ he need not come, brother need not come here. In fact, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ we requested him. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
Can we sit down today if your lordship is convenient?
No, today we have another bench, na?
No, at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock ಇದೆ ಏನದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, if your lordship can accommodate it even at 4 o'clock, we can complete it today. And then my respectful suggestion. Since his lordship has come all the way, my lord, we'll make full use of his lordship's presence.
That's
all
what,
that I'm saying.
what. We requested him to come here.
So if it is possible, my lord, subject of course your lordship's convenience and the board, if we can, if your lordships can direct that we are reassemble
ಇಲ್ಲ,
at
ಅದು
4 o'clock.
ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we will have it ನಾಳೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ?
ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಎರಡು ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಬೆಂಚ್
ಇಲ್ಲ, memo appears to be ready.
my lord,
ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
it is better to finish it as early as possible, my lord. 4 o'clock ಇವತ್ತು ಆದ್ರೆ I will oblige if it's possible.
4
ಬೇಗ
o'clock.
ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರ memo ready ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Memo ready ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ತಾವು
4 o'clock ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? 4 o'clock ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಕೇನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದ್ರ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
Yes, yes.
ಅದೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಇದು ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಆದಾಕ್ಷಣ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್. ನೀವು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿಡಿ.
Because each flat is about.
The moment you give the sale deed, next order will get saying, permit me to sell by flats. Permit me to sell by flats. As part of the disposal. We will
So
do that
our
also.
contention is that 40 flats is our 40 flats per the JD.
That
They are saying 40 flats is
Yeah,
in
that
the-
all that has to be decided. So what I am saying is for the present, is 2 flats, 2 sales.
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.